The cleanup continues in Surf City as fire crews work to determine what caused a fire at a motel earlier this morning.
Surf City's Fire Chief Alan Wilson says multiple agencies responded to the Blizzard Inn motel around 5:45 this morning. Officials saying nearby businesses and a residential property were also damaged by the heat from this fire. Thankfully, no injuries are being reported.
9 on your side's Claire Curry joins us live from Surf City. And Claire, how is the community reacting to this?
Angie, Ken, locals tell me that the Blizzard's Inn motel has been left abandoned for almost 10 years, and now it's gone.
Well, here goes Blizzard's.
One local that called 911 about the fire this morning says at first she was unsure what it was.
We thought maybe it was dark clouds, a storm coming, and then we looked out front and saw the flames and the smoke.
The Surf City Fire Chief Alan Wilson says no injuries were reported. He adds that over 40 people from multiple departments worked to contain the fire this morning.
The business property directly adjacent to the rear did suffer some heat damage, but thankfully no fire penetration into the building whatsoever.
Many of the businesses nearby were unable to open this morning like normal. One business, Surf Break Nutrition, had some minor damages.
We have no damage to the interior of the building besides some windows being shattered. The exterior part of the building has some melting of the vinyl, and the air conditioning unit looks like it's going to need to be replaced.
Hunter adds that none of the other businesses behind the motel had any major damage to her knowledge. The Surf City Police Department say that one person has been arrested for trespassing on the property. They add that this is still an ongoing investigation. The roads around the motel have now been cleared, but crews remain on the scene to monitor any hot spots. In Surf City, Claire Curry, 9 on your side.